Good morning, y'all. Um, Today is Friday, which is the last day of school for our district. And like I mentioned before, today we have an annual crawfish ball for the employees. So I am getting ready for work. I'm not dressed up today, just something simple. First student shirt, jeans, tennis, because I'll be serving along with a few of my bus drivers. I'll be serving, Target. I'll be serving a crawfish today in pastelaya, so nothing dressed up at all. Ouch. Ooh, I'm having a hard time putting on tennis. I hit my freaking pinky toe on the door, and it hurts. Hopefully it's not broken, but yeah. Trying to get last minute things together so I can go and head out. Drop my baby girl off to my mom. Packing up computer for work. Yeah, so that's what we have planned for the day. I'll vlog a little during the crawfish ball. So yeah, I'll follow up once the festivities begin. That's all right, y'all, just an update. Like I mentioned, our crawfish ball is about to start. Let me see. Yeah, the guy is actually doing some of the stuff right now. He's actually out. I'm going to run pick up a few more things, and we're going to take y'all through the day.
Yandra, you ain't finished filling out the paper.
We're going to sit in